Tired of excess moisture and mold in your home? In this video, we're counting down the best dehumidifiers to keep your air fresh, dry, and healthy. Whether it's for a basement, bedroom, or the whole house, we've got the perfect pick for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. EvaDry EDV 1100 Petite Dehumidifier. When there are moisture issues in a small space such as an RV, closet, or bathroom, standard-sized dehumidifiers may not fit. Fortunately, small space dehumidifiers like the EvaDry EDV 1100 suit even the tiniest spots and can help remove humidity from the air. At only 8.5 inches tall by 6.5 inches wide by 5 inches deep, the EvaDry is compact enough to sit on a bathroom counter or closet floor and weighs only 2 pounds. Rather than setting a humidity target level like a standard dehumidifier, the EvaDry has only 2 settings, on and off. To see how well it could collect moisture from the air, we placed it in our basement with 65% humidity levels. After just a single day, its 16-ounce collection tank was a quarter of the way full, and after 48 hours, it was almost halfway full. We emptied the water by removing the collection tank from the dehumidifier and dumping it down the drain. Number 2. Ivation Large Capacity Dehumidifier with Pump. A basement is often the most humid spot in the house, but with this Ivation Large Capacity Dehumidifier, basements can stay dry and comfortable. It comes with a 2.25-gallon collection tank, but it operates best when connected to a drain hose for hands-free emptying into a floor drain. Designed to remove humidity from areas up to 4,500 square feet, the Ivation is powerful enough to tackle the toughest humidity problems, making it an ideal dehumidifier for mold issues in the basement. It's also simple to operate. Users can choose either timed mode or continuous mode, which means the unit will run until it's shut off or the tank fills. The Ivation dehumidifier for basement spaces comes with a 16-foot hose for continuous use, but we also tested its collection bucket. Among the large-capacity dehumidifiers we tested, this one had the longest runtime before it needed to be emptied. It was easy to move, and the onboard condensate pump allowed us to empty the unit into a sink drain. We appreciated this unit's auto-restart feature, which powers it back on in the event of a power failure. It also has an auto-defrost sensor that protects its evaporator coils. Number 3. Medea 50-pint cube dehumidifier. Smartphone-compatible home devices allow users to control important settings with a few clicks. For those shoppers who appreciate smart features, the Medea 50-pint cube dehumidifier is an option worth considering. Its smartphone app is compatible with Android and iOS devices. The unique nested design simplifies storage, and it's easy to lift and twist the sections apart when it's time to use. Our initial impression of the Medea dehumidifier was that it was heavy. To set it up, we had to lift the top unit and set it inside its water collection bucket, carefully lining up arrows for correct installation. We then connected the app and set a target humidity level of 40%. It only took 2 hours for the Medea to bring our basement from 55% humidity to 40%. For the next 24 hours, humidity levels remained in the low to mid-40s. The Medea app notified us when the bucket was full, about 24 hours after the initial setup. To empty this large dehumidifier, we had to lift the top unit from the bucket, set it on the floor, and pour the collected water out of the bottom bucket. The dehumidifier weighs just under 42 pounds in total, with most of the weight concentrated at the top dehumidifying unit. While this unit is efficient and has smart features, we don't recommend it to those who have difficulty lifting heavy objects. Number 4. HOMLab's 35-pint 3,000 square foot dehumidifier. Large spaces, such as open floor plans and basements, require a dehumidifier that can remove enough moisture from the air to keep humidity levels regulated. The HOMLab's 35-pint dehumidifier is effective in spaces up to 3,000 square feet, making it a suitable option. It has built-in wheels and a carry handle for easy portability, plus essential features such as auto shutoff, a timer, and a filter indicator light. Setting up the HOMLab's dehumidifier was as simple as plugging it in and powering it on. We set the humidity level to 40%, and it started reducing excess moisture in our basement. We allowed this dehumidifier to run for 2 weeks, and it removed more than 22 collective gallons of water from the air. Number 5. Aprilaire E070 Pint Crawl Space Dehumidifier. Homes in rainy regions with sealed crawl spaces are at high risk of humidity-related problems. When you need serious moisture reduction in a humid crawl space to protect your home structure, consider a unit such as the Aprilaire E070. This dehumidifier for house crawl spaces removes up to 70 pints of moisture per day. We had previously tested 5 popular crawl space dehumidifiers, and while this was one of the most expensive, it was the clear winner in ease of use and effectiveness.